Hey, what's going on, everybody? It's your boy Nikki Pips, coming at you guys with a new video. I know I haven't made a video here in a while, um, so I'm going to be uploading this to YouTube, obviously. So I just wanted to kind of update you guys on my $100 challenge, and I wanted to show you my last couple trades that I've taken. I took two trades over the last day or so. I took a position on gold on London session and or Asian London session, and I took a position on gold this morning. So even though we were in a consolidation, I was able to get a 1 to 2 risk to reward profit. So I'm gonna go ahead and share my screen with you guys, and we'll get into it. All right, bring up this one. Let me move this out the way. All right. So here we go. We got gold. All right, guys. So I'll go on the 5 minute here because that's what I typically trade on. And then you'll see my two positions that I have here. So let me zoom this out a little bit. All right, so so if you see here, this was last night. So we had about a 1 to 13 or 13 to 1 risk to reward trade on here. So I actually took this position. Where did I take it? I want to say I know I was in a little bit of drawdown. So mind you, I will say my stop loss was a little bit farther down. So I believe, have my stop loss right below here. So it would have been a 1 to 7. So, but I ended up moving it up. So it became that 1 to 13. So I believe I took my entry right about here. So right about here. So, and I took this all the way up. So see, I took this about 12:30. So sorry, I actually took it earlier than that. So let me see. Yeah, that's about right. So I took it at about 11:30. So I got into this trade at 11:30. Of course, it kind of went up and down, and then it wasn't until about, let's see, 1:50 in the morning that it actually shot up. So 1:50 in the morning, Eastern time was about 11 o'clock my time. So, and I kind of just let it run last night, and I ended up closing it at about 6. Yeah, I woke up at 3 in the morning and just ended up closing it. So yeah, so 6:15 in the morning Eastern time, so 3:15 Pacific time. So it was a great trade. It's perfect because I was already in drawdown from a previous trade for the day, and this kind of made it all up for me. And then come to this morning, we had a lot of news this morning, so I actually caught the move up after news. So if you see right here, we had news at 8:30. So I caught the move back to the upside at 8:40. So literally 10-minute difference. And because I could have closed up all the way up here, but I thought we were going to get a little bit of pullback and then continue up, which it did initially end up doing. But I just didn't hold the trade because, which I could have, because if I move this over and, because I like to also, take profit or move my trade into break even or even take partials at that point. But also, like I said, I could have stayed in this trade, and I wouldn't have been stopped out. It would have took me down out of profit for a little bit, and then it would have went all the way back up. So I probably could have took a little bit more profit out of that, or I could have waited for it to retrace a little bit, and then I could have got back in right here and just took it back up to 1930. So, but nonetheless, I was okay with it. So this was a 1 to 2 risk to reward right here. So um, I'm not mad at it. So currently, yeah, I was actually up $150, I believe. So I did kind of mess around earlier, and I didn't step away from the market like I should have. So I ended up taking a small loss. I took about $30 loss because I wanted to see, I wanted to dabble into NAS a little bit. Also, I wanted to see how my broker um, was allowing me to use it because unfortunately, with the small capital that I have, I cannot use US 30. I just can't take any trades. I don't have a high enough capital, I guess. But NAS 100, I can. So I just wanted to see if it was possible for me to take some profit. So I did actually go a little bit more in profit. I took about $20 in profit with that, and then I ended up giving it back. So hopefully you guys can see this. I'll show you my MT5 where we're currently at. So we're at about 108. So I don't know if you can see that. I know there's a glare. See if you guys can see that. So yeah, but it says $108 right there. So $108.47. You guys can see that. Also, this is a live account. Just so you guys can verify, this is not a demo account. This is a real account. So we got a little bit more for the week here. It's only Tuesday, so we got a lot of news Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. So we'll see what moves we can make with gold. I may dabble in a little bit with NAS 100. NAS 100, when you do a lot size of 0.01, it automatically like starts at like $2 almost per pip. So you just got to be careful with that because if I'm not in the right direction or my trade is not good or doesn't have the right confluences for that trade, I will not take it because I don't want to lose any more money. So even though that is part of the game. So I just wanted to share that with you guys. Um, I will look for some other positions tonight, either Asian London session. So currently right now, so this is currently where we're looking right now. So of course right now it's 7:05, so we're in Asian session right now. So I kind of see this going back down here to this 1920 area, and then possibly bouncing back. So I do think it's going to continue back up because if we look on the daily time frame here, we got a lot of bullish movement here. So we got a nice bullish movement. So even though we had a little bit of pullback here, we're still moving to the upside. So we have to see if it's going to break this candle right here, then we can continue up. So if it does decide to pull back down, then we'll look for some sells. So that's pretty much it, guys. I just wanted to share my breakdown with you guys. Put a comment down below what you guys want to see. I'm going to continue to update you guys on my account here. Like I said, I know I haven't done a video in a while, so I am going to keep up with that. So just a lot of personal things have been going on, so I haven't been able to create a video, but appreciate you guys coming along my journey with me. That's kind of why I created this channel. So if you guys wouldn't mind, if you want to, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe as well. Stay tuned for a lot of other videos coming up, vlogs, stuff like that. Check out my videos that I already have on there. And then you can always reach out to me on Instagram if you want to hit me up. It's at Nikki_Pips. And yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. Stay tuned to the next video, and we'll see you then. Peace.